making that picture now. He's wanted in like 4 states.
Wow, I'm fixing to get a good reward.
Hey, Troy.
I'll catch a video of this. Y'all getting on video. It's pretty up here, isn't it? Yep. Sound of silence.
Most of the state is pretty right now.
Oh, absolutely. There's some big homes on Foothill Road. They're like $3 million homes. Lost 40 foot of his property. There's 9 homes that are in jeopardy. Right, not far from here. I saw it on the news.
How much does this one go for?
I believe, yeah, for being kind and friendly neighbors. No, don't duck on that. That's part of the action. Oh, it's just amazing to see that machine right there. That's something. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Oh, man. All open up, ready to go. Just boom, boom, gone. Find you down by the creek having a beer and a Subway sandwich.
Oh, I wish. I wish.